Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Windy app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. You come here to display all times in your GK, just clicking this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean display all times in your check disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.